mistaken, and the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are quiet. And other heading slowly, try to slowly take them. And the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are quiet. In your head, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie. Another mother's breaking, heart is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken.